Have you ever noticed why some teachers explain a topic once and students understand instantly, while others repeat 3 times, 4 times, and still the class look confused? Took. I will reveal the secret behind clear and powerful teaching. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Arvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor Education, and this video is a part 2 of my part 5 series on essential micro-teaching skills. If you want the next videos on blackboard writing, reinforcement skill, and set closure, then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any skill of learning. So today's topic is skill of explanation, one of the most important skill for any teacher. The focus on understanding, making the concept clear. So there are basically 3 stages of explanation. One is giving information, that is stating facts clearly. Then describing, giving detailed characteristics. And third is your explaining, connecting ideas, or you can say showcasing your cause, effect, and their relationship. So good teacher moves smoothly through all 3. They focus on giving information, describing, and explaining the content that will make her explanation effective. What makes an explanation effective? This is also very important. So we will focus on desirable and non-desirable components. These components are very important, and in classroom we must focus on desirable component. They will give positive impact on your teaching, and we should not focus on undesirable component. They will focus on your negative teaching. So first is your desirable component is clarity in explanation. There must be clarity in your explanation. Student must clearly understand what you are teaching. So content must be clear and specific. Fluency of language, then use of connecting words like therefore, however, because, etc. Relevant example, the example must be related to your content. So relevant example must be used. There must be an introductory statement. There must be a concluding statement also, so that if any student is having any doubt, or he or she missed any content while understanding the concept, he can connect in the concluding statement. Then engaging and lively presentation. Student engagement, student interaction is very important. So if you want to make your presentation lively, so make it engageful. So students, I hope you are understanding till here. If yes, so you can write yes in the comment box. Then there are some common mistakes which are normally teacher use in the classroom. That is unclear explanation, lack of fluency, poor use of connecting words. They are not using an example in the classroom. Then no linking words, no introduction or conclusion. Then there is monotonous delivery. Avoid this if you want your explanation to be powerful. You can take one example. In this, teacher will focus on explanation. Teacher will explain the content, and student will listen the content carefully, and they can write down important points also in their notebook. I can give you one demo, like student, today we will explore what democracy means. In a democracy, people elect their leaders through voting. So you will explain the meaning of democracy and their nature, their features in this presentation. Now student, think and tell me why it is important for people to have a say in decisions that affect them. Write your answer in the comments. So this is the rating scale where teacher will give you the marks. So remember, a great explanation is clear, connected, and supported with examples. If your explanation is strong, students don't just listen, they understand and remember, which is very important. So I will conclude the video. So remember, a great explanation must be clear, connected, and supported with examples, with real life examples. If your explanation is strong, students don't just listen, they understand and remember, which is important. So students, I hope the concept is clear. If yes, write clear in the comment box. And this is just part 2 of this series. To learn the remaining skills, you can subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.